Smeta, our proprietary on-site assessment, is one of the world's most widely used social audits. It combines in-person assessments with scalable methodology to deliver valuable insights on sustainability practices at individual work sites. This approach helps businesses streamline their monitoring processes and reduce associated costs. Smeta audits help businesses identify and resolve hundreds of thousands of issues each year, driving continuous improvement and fostering responsible sourcing practices while maintaining cost effectiveness. Discover how SEDEX can empower your business to make informed, data-led decisions for a more sustainable future. Visit us at sedex.com.